Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both endpoints ready. Enable Bluetooth on your laptop and turn on Bluetooth tethering or personal hotspot on your phone. Once discoverable, pair the devices in settings and confirm the PIN. This creates a trusted link that carries network traffic. Make sure cellular data is enabled on the phone and that airplane mode is off. Once paired, open the laptop's Bluetooth menu and select the phone as a network source so the system can enumerate a Bluetooth PAN. Once the pair exists, you configure the Bluetooth personal area network on your laptop. On Windows, choose the phone's network access point in Network Connections. On Mac OS, use the Bluetooth menu to connect to the phone's PAN service. Let the laptop request an IP via DHCP so it gets gateway and DNS automatically. You can set a static IP only when DHCP fails. Make sure firewall rules allow traffic over the new adapter. And once connected, check the adapter's status to confirm packets are being. Now verify the link by opening a browser or pinging a stable IP like 8.8.8.8. This confirms routing and DNS. If traffic fails, make sure the phone's cellular connection is active and that battery saver or data restrictions aren't blocking tethering. Once done, prioritize the Bluetooth adapter in network settings if you want it preferred. If things go wrong, repair the devices and restart Bluetooth on both endpoints, then re-enable tethering. This simple reset resolves most common pairing and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.